Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Redis on VPS for Laravel caching step by step clearly. To begin, log into your VPS using SSH. Use a terminal or command prompt to enter the command SSH your username at your server IP. Replace your username with your actual username and your server IP with your server's IP address. Once connected, update your package list by running sudo apt update. Next, install Redis by executing sudo apt install Redis server. After the installation, we need to check if Redis is running. Use the command sudo system status Redis. If Redis is active and running, proceed to the next step. Edit the Redis configuration file for optimization. Type sudo nano etc redis/redis.conf. Look for the line that contains supervised no. Change it to supervised systemd. This ensures that Redis runs as a system service. Save and exit by pressing Ctrl+X, then Y, and enter. Now, restart the Redis service for the changes to take effect. Run the command sudo system restart Redis. Next, confirm that Redis is set to start on boot. Use sudo system enable Redis. Now, install the PHP Redis extension for Laravel. Execute sudo apt install PHP Redis. After installation, restart your web server to apply the changes. If you are using Apache, run sudo system restart Apache 2. If you are using Jinx, use sudo system restart Jinx. With Redis installed and configured, it's time to set it up in your Laravel project. Open your Laravel projects.env file. Locate the line starting with cache_driver. Change its value to Redis. Next, ensure that the queue driver is also set to Redis. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.